Hello student, I am Sandeep Singh and this is your holiday summer vacation holiday homework of class 5th. Student, in this vacation holiday homework, you have to give in some works from school, but you have to complete these summer vacation holiday homework by the help of your guardian. The guardian are requested to help their child during holiday to complete their following given summer vacation holiday homework sheet in a separate prescribed copy, practice copy. Each of subject put in CL signature at the page summer vacation holiday homework. A guardian should be signature put their signature of each page of the student which they complete their work. Okay, the summer vacation holiday homework shall be conduct to periodic assessment. Student, this is very important work to you, because if you done this work, you have to assess with the periodic assessment. You have to mark some given mark in periodic assessment. So you should work this, you should done this work. Okay, let us look about the social studies which are given in your summer vacation holiday work. Student, in this section you have to given some learning, oral, written, activity and project, and next is self search holiday homework. So let us look at the some points given in separate section. First we look at the learning, oral. Learn the all chapter from 1, 2, 3 and 4. You have to all chapter learn 1, 2, 3, 4 appropriate diagram and which are given in your book. Okay, all chapter in this section you have to learn all exercises and also which are used to show the diagram also you have to learn. Okay, learn the all exploring new words which are given in your chapter 2 and 3. You have to learn also exploring new words. It means this word is also called word meaning. Okay, so you have to also learn chapter 2 and 3. Okay, learn all short answer of chapter 1 and 2, 3. Another work is given to you, that is short answer. You have also learned. Okay, in written work there are some works are given. You have to give in two parts, A and B. This is A work. A means write the short of the chapter, short answer of the chapter 2 and 3. In first section you have to write the short answer in prescribed copy or practice copy, short answer from chapter 2 and 3, and also you have to write multiple choice question from 1, 2, 3 and 4. From 1, 2, 3 and 4 you have to write MCQ, and also in second work you have to also explain the following with written, in written, not only oral but also in written. You have to also draw some diagram to explain these sentences, like day and night, changes of weather, how day and night caused. You have to explain with the help of diagram, and also you have to explain about the changes of weather, how change the weather. You have to write the some causes and also explain with the help of diagram. Now next work is activity work. Okay, in this work you have to some given work, and also you have to use some a paper of chart. Okay, chart paper. Student, here you use big chart paper, not a bit of small chart paper. You have to big chart paper, and also separate from of each question, not all question in done by in a chart paper, done by you in a chart paper. You have to done all work in a all chart paper separate in separate. Okay, draw the heat zones of the earth in a chart paper. You have to draw heat zones. Okay, you have know also that there are various heat zones found on the earth. They are also another name. Okay, and also you have to draw the revolution of the earth, so the changes weather on the earth. Okay, you have to draw the revolution of the earth, which is revolved by the earth to the sun from place to place, and what cause of the revolution of the earth. Okay, now project work. In this work you have to also draw some pictures and also draw a picture of globe and show important latitude of the globe. You have to draw a separate paper of chart paper, and you have to show the globe and important latitude line. What are latitude line? The line which are running from the east to west is called latitude line, and you have to draw the globe and show the what are the important latitude lines, and you have to show. Locate the hot and wet zones, equatorial region in world map. Student, you have to bring a map, world map from market, and you have to show the equatorial region. Okay, and paste it in your copy. And now the other work is self search work. It means that you have to search from these links from the net or internet, and also make a net which are given points in these links, and you have to write a note. The first link is Britannica.com place Amazon rainforest. You have to a short note by the link, by this link, that Britannica.com place Amazon rainforest. And another important link is bbc.co.uk school/geobits geography weather climate. Okay, these work to be done by you in the inspection of your guardian, and you have to complete their work. Okay, student, goodbye, thank you, be safe and be healthy.